Hey guys, welcome back to my channel NyarkoaahTutorials. So in today's video you guys, I'll be going to the range. So I said in my previous video that I couldn't actually get everything that I wanted from Ikea, and I was gonna shop the rest of like everything from range. So today is the day that I'll be going. I just thought that I'd vlog this for you guys. So yeah, let's get to it.
What else?
So like in today's video I'll be buying stuff like my duvet set, my my duvet covers, some knives. I'll be getting a whole lot of stuff. Yeah, so yeah, if you want to know, keep on watching. Also you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and also turn on your notifications so that you get a notification every time I upload. So yeah, see you in a bit. Bye. You guys, so I am here now at the range. You can see it behind me. So yeah, let's go inside and see what we can get. You guys, they've got some Tupperwares over here. Oh wow, this one is £1.99. or is it too big? Is it also £1.99? Okay, some food storage, and maybe some of these. £1.29. What? Okay, I'll get some of these. Yeah, I'm gonna get 2 of these. So I think 3 would be enough. And these are the chopping boards. I think I'll get plastic chopping boards instead. 7 £5.99. Actually, I think I'll just keep that one. Or if I see a plastic one, I'll buy it. This looks so luxurious. The kettle. Oh, this one looks helps. I'll do the cheap one. The knife. This one doesn't. Wow, rose gold knife, luxurious. This is the knife. I got it for $2.99. There you go. Food container. Oh wow, large glass food container. They've got really nice containers of them. I've already got some napkins. I bought it online. So right here at this moment, I changed my mind about getting a set of knives instead because it was much cheaper. So I swapped with the rose gold one. Anyway, I'll just keep it and leave this here is their job. I think I'm going to be needing some bean bags here. $50. Wait, I think they'll provide bean bags. So I'll get something bags for my room. Okay, right at this moment I was looking for some bin, like a bathroom bin, but they were too expensive and too big for the size. They were like £20, and I saw this yellow one for $9.99, but it didn't match my aesthetic. But I feel like I should have gotten it anyway because it's just in my bathroom, so I'll go back to the store and get that yellow one instead. You guys, so right at this moment I was looking at, one of those things that you put in your cupboard to like fill your spoons, forks, knives, yeah, something like that. Like, is it a tray liner? Anyway, I don't know what it's called, but I was looking at some of them and I wanted to buy one for myself. For like, they'll provide a cupboard for each and every one of us at uni. So I was looking at one of those things to put my stuff in, and I kept comparing the colors and the prices. And then I first landed on that one, but I felt like it was too big. And then I landed on this other one, so I changed my mind and got something else. So right now I was just going to like go to the one that I changed my mind with, and then I landed on that one instead. And I think it was a good choice. My mind and got this one instead, and it's much more. It's 10p expensive because of the color difference. Guys, I'm just looking for like some containers to put stuff like my tea, my sugars and stuff like that inside. So I'm just checking some here. And I've seen this one is a really nice car. You can get all these three for $6.99. I think I'm gonna go for this one. It's a nice color. I'll just put that in my basket as well. I got this for $6.99. And I got myself a grater. Peeler, no. Peeler, sorry. I got myself a peeler. Here, a plastic one. I was thinking of getting some of these. Tone. Oh, it's $3.29 for this one. Right, so this is the, what is this? Oh, it's some duvet set, $20.99. What? Yes, I'm just checking out some duvet set. It's a double bed, $25. Oh, what's this one? Guys, they've got some more nice looking duvet set here. Oh, this one looks nice. It's a double one. I like the look of this. It's velvet panel double duvet set, and it's only $19.99. Oh, this one is $17.99. Oh, it's the sleeper duvet set. This one looks nice. How much? It's $24.99. It's too expensive. This one also looks nice. This one right here, $19.99. Cheap. Guys, so right now I'm just checking out some pillows. It hasn't got price tags on them. Alright, you guys, so I got a duvet. It's right there. I got this. It's like a duvet set. You get 2 pillows, the duvet plus a mattress protector. So it's a very, very good deal for that price. Guys, we're just going to check out some areas over here. Oh, an iron. $12.99. $19.99. $15. This one doesn't look like skeletons. Yeah, so this maybe bags is in there. So I got this for $12.99. So I was just checking out some broom to sweep my room with. So I've seen this one here for £4.99. It's a bamboo one right here. This is how it looks. Is that it? I'll put that in my basket. Whatever this is. No, I'm just checking out some sponge right here. Oh, it's super iron. Oh, I see cushion covers. Pack of 2 cushion covers for $6.99. It doesn't look that bad. It looks nice though. Yeah, I'll get this one. And the mattress, the velvet, this thing as well. That way. Yeah, I'll get that. So like at this moment I was checking out some fitted sheets as a spare for when I'm washing my main bed sheets, but I just thought that getting a whole plain bed set would be cheaper. Yes, I'm just checking out like a plain bedding set that I can use. King. Oh, this is a nice one, but it's a king size for $18.99. This one doesn't look bad actually. The reversible duvet set double with 2 pillows. And it's reversible. You guys, so I'm in the stationery area, so I'll just be picking up like some wallets, some academic planners, some, oh, this looks nice, but I feel like it's not big enough, and I'm going for 18 as well. I'm picking up some of these. I have some of these for my old one, so I'll just get one of the folder. Oh, to like write, wait. Actually, I have one. I'm looking for some academic planners, but I can't find any. I also got a blue tag for £1. This is a nice magnet, metal mesh magazine file. wallet here for $2.49, but I don't like the colors. I'm gonna keep this in my basket for now. This would have been a nice setup, but in a different color. I would have worked. It has almost everything that I need. Some sticky notes and these are some flashcards. Actually, I'm gonna get all of this later on. Actually, I've already got a ruler. I was checking out a ruler, but I've already got some. And they've got a lot of stuff over here. You guys, I've seen the one that I actually like, and it looks so nice, and it's $7.99. That's fine. Look how nice this is. It looks so good. Yes, thank you. Moving on. Guys, so I am heading back downstairs. I'm on the escalator right now with my stuff here. So yeah. So these are all the stuff that I was able to get for now. So for the rest of the stuff, I'll either come back or just do online shopping. Okay, so right now I'm at the counter. Checking out the stuff. These are all the things that I got for now. You guys, so we are done. These are everything that I got. We've packed everything in the boot. It doesn't seem that much, but yeah, this is all that I got from the range. As I said before, these are all the things that I got for now. I'm still not sure that I got everything or not, because I still need to get a mop back here, but I changed my mind on that one, because I'll just use, because I don't think I'm going to be mopping that much. But yeah, you guys, so I'm done, and I'm planning on doing like a haul of everything that I got. So yeah, I'm planning on doing a haul of everything that I got for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it useful or helpful. If you guys want to see more of these videos, then please like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, stay in touch, follow me on my social media, all of that. So yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.
What else?